I can't remember where I saved it.
Greetings, dear viewer. So we're trying to upload the new Stinky Mike sketch.
But we're having problems.
So while we try and sort it out, why not subscribe to Stinky Mike by clicking on that cardle holding a wooden spoon? That's the best way to know exactly when we've uploaded a new sketch. If we can find them, that is.
No, it's not where it should be.
Have you tried looking in that file where you keep all your legally downloaded movies?
No, I'll have a look.
So what is this sketch about, I hear you cry? Well, we thought we'd address some issues with this one. And I mean big issues. Like having to wait in for an engineer to come and fix your television.
Oh, found it. It was in the folder with all my Glee episodes.
So this Stinky Mike sketch doesn't feature Hulk Hogan.
But I did grow a moustache for it.
No moustaches behind in the making, though. We hope you enjoy it.
I would set as Glee, so... yeah.
Yes, I'll hold. Hello? Just hold on 1 second. Just 1 second, please, alright? I'll be with you in one... It's Stangroom and not Stangroom. No. Hello? Oh, God. Yes, I'll hold. I'm calling about the TV service you installed last week. Well, it seems we've only got French television. But I don't know how this happened.
La blanquette de vol ancienne.
But I can't speak French.
Excusez-nous.
Okay, I'll go and exchange it, but it will definitely work, yeah? Well, I did that, and now it's only showing Spanish television. No, I don't speak Spanish either. I wasn't very academic. I took a media course. Look, I insist that you send an engineer around. This is ridiculous. And make sure they're English. No, sorry, I didn't mean to sound racist. 1 second! I'm coming! Hello?
Good afternoon, madam.
When you see me,
Where is the bitch?
Excuse me?
Come on, let's just bend her over and see what she's offering, huh?
I
Beg your pardon?
I've been the coolest since the
I'm here about a television.
Oh, good. Yeah,
I
come in.
am the coolest.
Come to daddy.
Oh, my. So, just a quick retune and this baby will be purring like a bitch.
And now on ITV1, it's time for Loose Women.
Excuse me. Can I have the French TV back?
Frozen. Cold.
Oh my.
What an idiot.
Try and sort it out, why not subscribe to Stinky Mike by clicking on that cardle holding a wooden spoon?